Hi guys! Joy here! Today guys, let's do another unboxing. Medyo late na yung unboxing na to. These items, this is actually my Valentine's Day gift to myself. Yes, I bought myself a Valentine's Day gift since I'm single. I don't have a husband. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't have a sponsor. I don't have a sugar daddy. And I don't date anybody for now. That's why I don't have someone to buy me gifts. I don't have someone to spoil me to buy the things that I want. O diba? So, I rather buy myself a gift. Kung afford ko naman, why not, diba? This is not expensive guys, and this is also not a branded item. Honestly, pinag-isipan ko pa kung bibilhin ko to kasi medyo matagal na siya sa cart ko. But then, nung Valentine's Day, I was really feeling sad and down. Umiyak ako guys nung Valentine's Day. Kaya tuloy, napa-order ako neto to make me feel better. Alam niyo yun, Valentine's Day, pag nag-iiyak ako. But it's okay, may mga moments talaga na ganyan, no? As a single mom kasi guys, na shoulder lahat ng expenses, bago ako bumili ng something for myself, tinatanong ko muna yung sarili ko kung kaya ba ng budget or deserve ko ba yung bumili ng ganito, ang dami pang mga bayarin, ang dami pang mga nakalista na dapat bilhin. But this time, deserve ko naman siguro to, di ba? So, ito siya guys. Look at that. Rose print siya. Tingnan nyo naman guys sa loob, di ba? Rose yung shape ng carving sa loob. And then, look at that. So, unique kasi yung design niya. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. Maganda rin to guys pang gift sa mga family and friends ninyo na mahilig mag-coffee and tea. Diba? Next, isang set to guys. So, pare-parehos na ng design. So, next, plate. Diba? Ang shala. Rose design. And then, yung last na item, plate din siya, pero bigger size. Oh, diba? So nice! Ang ganda niya, guys. Additional siya sa aking collection. And then, pag ipapatong mo siya, ganyan siya, oh. Oh, ang ganda! Nakakatuwa naman to. O diba, ang ganda ng aking Valentine's Day gift sa aking self. Yan lang guys, gusto ko lang naman i-share sa inyo. And remember, okay lang mag-flex ng mga bagay na binili ninyo. Basta galing sa disenteng trabaho, disenteng pamamaraan, galing sa salary ninyo, sa savings ninyo. Okay lang yan as long na wala kayong nilulokong tao, diba? Flex nyo yan. Pinaghirapan nyo yan, guys. And you deserve it. Maganda rin talaga na paminsan-minsan magbigay ka ng reward sa self mo for doing a great job. Diba? And being good also. Hindi lang sa work. Sa everyday life natin. So, hanggang dito na lang muna, guys. Yung vlog na to. Thank you so much for watching. Be beautiful and be kind. God bless.